everybody, it's Melanie again with Courtney Lane Designs, and I've been getting a lot of questions about how I'm sizing my overlays using the art booking cartridge from the sizes that you guys are getting when you do it through the machine. And the answer is the Cricut Craft Room. So let me show you how I do it in the Cricut Craft Room. That way you guys can do exactly the same thing I'm doing with whatever image you want to use. So let me start with the card I made yesterday, the overlay. It's this one right here, so I'm going to select it. And I'm going to drag it over here, and I'm going to pull it out. That's how you make it a little bigger. You pull down the sides like that. And I'm going to drag it up into the far corner over here because my mat has measurements across the top. And for A2 size, for the overlays, I like them to cut out at 3 3/4 by 5 inches. And that is because I like to add additional layers underneath. So that is the perfect measurement for my top layer. So I'm going to take a look, and actually look at me. I did it almost perfect. This is a little too long though because it's a little longer than 5 inches. So I'm going to click this button and I'm going to drag it up to the line. You see? And then I'm going to check over here to see where I'm doing up. It was pretty perfect. Okay, so there. So this is the size overlay I want. So now I'm going to drag it back onto the mat because when I dragged it up there, when I moved it up there, it basically was not on the part of the mat that's going to cut. So I needed to put it back onto the white part because that's where it's going to cut. And that's it. Now it's ready to go. Now, if you like doing square cards like I do, let me show you how to do that because I cut those at 4.5 inches. Let me find one. Let's see. Okay, let's do this one. All right. So we're going to drag it over again, and then I'm going to pull it out until it's 4.5 inches. So it's 4.5 inches up there. Looks like it's up. It's a little. There we go. And now I'm going to, again, move it back onto the mat so I can cut it. And that's all I do. Isn't that easy, everybody? You don't have to worry about what size on the machine or anything. Acquaint yourself with the Cricut Craft Room. Let me know what videos you need to see, and I'll make them. And this is going to make your crafting so much easier. I promise you. You know, once you start using the Cricut Craft Room, you realize how much easier all this is. So, send your questions my way, and I hope this one helps. Have a great day, everybody.